Hey everyone, the new Audi A5 Avant has just landed, and it's got some big shoes to fill. This sleek wagon isn't just a new model, it's actually replacing the beloved A4 Avant in Audi's lineup. Let's dive into what makes this luxury estate worth your attention in 2025. First up, let's talk power. Under that sculpted hood, you've got some interesting choices. The entry-level 2-liter turbo gives you 148 horses. Decent, but not exactly thrilling with its 9.8-second sprint to 62. But here's where it gets good. Step up to the 201 horsepower version, and now we're talking. It'll hit 62 in 7.8 seconds, matching the smooth diesel option that's also available. But the real head-turner? That's the S5 Avant. This beast packs a 362 horsepower V6 that doesn't just move, it sings. The engine note is properly gorgeous, especially in dynamic mode, without being obnoxious when you're just cruising around town. Speaking of cruising, the A5 Avant's handling is a pleasant surprise. Audi's really stepped up their game here. The steering is sharper, more precise, and while it might not be quite as playful as a BMW 3 Series Touring, it's closer than ever before. Plus, the adaptive suspension in the S5 version gives you that perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Want to carve through some back roads? Go for it. Need to soak up a long highway journey? No problem. Now, let's step inside, because this is where Audi really shows off. The cabin is absolutely stunning, with a curved display housing both the 11.9-inch digital driver's display and a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. And if you splash out for the Edition 1 trim, you even get a third 10.9-inch screen for your passenger. It's like sitting in a high-tech command center, but with leather seats. Tech-wise, this thing is loaded. Wireless phone charging? Check. 3-zone climate control? Yep. And if you go for the S5, you get these awesome headrest speakers that can give you nav directions without interrupting your music. How cool is that? But here's the thing, not everything's perfect. While the front seats are fantastic, the back seat space is a bit tight compared to rivals. And the cargo space? It's decent at 476 liters, but both BMW and Mercedes will give you more room for your stuff. That said, the powered tailgate and clever 40-20-40 split rear seats make the most of what you've got. Now let's talk money. Starting north of £40,000, it's not cheap, but you're getting what you pay for. The build quality is fantastic, the tech is cutting edge, and it feels properly premium. Plus, Audi's promising some plug-in hybrid versions in 2025 with about 60 miles of electric range. Perfect if you're looking at one as a company car. The A5 Avant shows us where Audi is headed. Sophisticated, tech-forward, and still driver-focused. Sure, it might not have the biggest boot in its class, but it makes up for it with style, refinement, and that fantastic interior. The improved driving dynamics are the cherry on top, making this not just a practical family hauler, but a genuine pleasure to drive. So, should you buy one? If you want a premium wagon that perfectly balances luxury, technology, and driving enjoyment, the A5 Avant makes a strong case for itself. Just make sure you can live with the slightly tighter rear space and cargo area compared to its rivals. That's it for our look at the 2025 Audi A5 Avant. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more new car reviews. Thanks for watching, and what do you think of this premium wagon? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.